A rare televised hearing in Israel's High Court allowing the public to watch for themselves the latest round of the political crisis they've been living with for more than a year. After 3 elections, will there finally be a government this week?
The
first issue is the assignment of a Knesset member to form a government against whom charges have been filed. 5 out of the 8 appeals are concerning this issue. The second issue has to do with the validity of the coalition agreement that was signed on April 20th.
That agreement for a rotating, co-equal premiership between Benjamin Netanyahu and his former rival Benny Gantz requires changes to Israel's fundamental basic laws to allow each mistrustful partner the guarantees they want to ensure the deal sticks. Sunday, though, saw the focus on the other issue, whether Benjamin Netanyahu, indicted in 3 separate corruption cases, could legally form and lead a new government. The law requires ministers in such a position to resign, but not prime ministers. Netanyahu is both a caretaker prime minister and a candidate for the job, leaving room for legal argument. During it, the justices seem to signal that they would not overrule what they see as the will of the members of Israel's parliament. Not a message popular with anti-Netanyahu, anti-coalition protesters who'd gathered to watch proceedings in a park lying symbolically between the court and the parliament.
We don't want a prime minister who is a criminal. We want that Israel will come back to the people and will not be more and more belong to the rulers.
As well as a critical juncture in Israel's long-running political crisis, this is a major moment for its constitution. Netanyahu's legal team argues that the Knesset, the Israeli parliament, has made its decision and the court should not intervene. His opponents argue that allowing for a government to be led by a man under such serious criminal charges represents an earthquake to the rule of law. It's now up to the justices to decide. For now, Gantz and Netanyahu are still working to pass the legislation required to form the new government before the deadline expires on Thursday. If that doesn't happen, or if the court were to surprise everyone and rule it out, then Israel would be heading for a 4th election in less than 18 months, with its political system straining at the seams. Fawcett, Al Jazeera, West Jerusalem.